Assalamu alaikum, teacher.
Walaikum assalam. How are you? Where was you? Why you are late today?
I am sleeping.
Sleeping. Okay. Be on time, please. Okay. I am waiting for you. Long time. Now maybe half an hour is
Okay.
over already. Okay. Next time be on time. Now you can see the screen. I share with you screen. It's coming to you or not?
Yes, please.
यहाँ आओ. यहाँ आओ.
Come here. Come here.
Yes, well
Come
done.
here.
Come here.
Yes.
Come here. Next, our sentence is there. बैठ जाओ. बैठ
Sit
जाओ.
down.
Sit
Sit
down.
down.
Well done. Excellent. You are enjoying this screen share I made for you.
Yes.
Yeah.
Please.
Next one is there. खड़े हो जाओ. खड़े
Stand
हो
up.
जाओ.
Stand
Yeah.
up.
Stand up. Well done. Good boy. Next, our sentence is there. मुझे अपना हाथ दो. मुझे अपना हाथ दो.
Give me hand. Give me hand.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Your hand.
How you will say? Give me.
Give me your hand.
Next one, our sentence is there. मेरी तरफ देखो. मेरी तरफ
Look
देखो.
at me.
Look at me. Look at me. Very good. Next
Look
one,
at
our
me.
sentence is there. मेरा हाथ पकड़ो. मेरा हाथ
Hold.
पकड़ो.
Hold me. Hold me.
No, no, no.
Hold me.
Hold me is hold me. मुझे पकड़ो. No. This is मेरा हाथ पकड़ो. हाथ हाथ. Hold my
Hold me.
hand. Hold my
Hold me.
hand. How you will say in
Hold
English?
my hand.
Hold
Hold
my
my hand.
hand. Okay, sit. Sit properly. Don't move like that. I am recording your video. Okay.
Okay.
पीछे पीछे होके बैठो ना सोने. ऐसे कैमरे में सीधा आना चाहिए. ठीक है. ओके. मेरा हाथ पकड़ो. इसकी इंग्लिश क्या होगी? What will say in English? Hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
Next, our
Hold my
sentence is there. एहतियात से. एहतियात से what we will say in English? Be careful.
Be careful.
Be
Be
careful.
careful.
Be
Be
careful.
careful.
Okay. Next, our
Be
sentence
careful.
is there. Just this is new for you. एक मिनट रुको. एक मिनट रुको mean wait
Just
a minute.
wait
Wait
a
a
minute.
minute.
Wait a minute.
This is new sentence
Minute.
for you. एक मिनट रुको. How we will say? Wait a minute.
Wait minute.
Next one is
Wait
there.
a minute.
If I will say सुबह बखैर मेरी प्यारी, like your mother will say सुबह बखैर मेरे प्यारे, how she can say good morning my dear.
Good
Good
morning, dear.
morning my dear.
Good morning, my dear.
You can say to your sister good morning my dear. Good morning Soha.
Good morning, my
Morning.
dear.
गुड मॉर्निंग जब सुबह का सलाम करते हैं तो उसको क्या कहते हैं? गुड मॉर्निंग.
Good
गुड
morning.
मॉर्निंग. ओके. व्हेन मॉर्निंग टाइम यू हैव टू टाइम विश गुड मॉर्निंग. हाउ यू विल टाइम विश? टाइम विश का मतलब
Good
होता है सलाम
morning,
करना.
my
ओके.
dear.
हाउ यू विल से मॉर्निंग टाइम?
Good morning, my
गुड
dear.
मॉर्निंग. गुड मॉर्निंग सोहा. गुड मॉर्निंग मामा. गुड मॉर्निंग पापा. ओके. लाइक दिस. नेक्स्ट वन आवर सेंटेंस इज देयर. यहाँ आओ मुझे गले लगाओ.
Come,
यहाँ
come
आओ.
here.
हाँ, मुझे
Come
गले
here.
लगाओ.
Hug me.
Hug me. Very good. Excellent boy. Come here and hug me. Okay. You are enjoying
Okay.
these slides? Look. You are enjoying. You like it? This one?
Yes.
Okay. अंदर आओ. How you will say अंदर आओ? That is new for you. Come inside.
Inside.
Come
Come inside.
inside. Okay.
Come
You have to
inside.
say come inside. That is our new topic. रोजाना का मामूल. We have to say daily routine. Daily routine. Daily we are doing something. We have to say daily routine. Like I will ask you, what's your daily routine? मतलब के रोजाना का क्या मामूल है आपका? What's your daily routine? First one, our sentence is there. जागो.
Wake up.
जागो. Wake up. Okay.
Wake up.
If you want to say your sister, जागो, how you will say? Wake up.
Wake up.
Wake
Wake up.
up. Okay.
Wake.
Yeah. Next, our sentence is there. अपने दांत साफ करो. अपने दांत
What
साफ
is
करो.
What is
You will say brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Brush your teeth.
Brush
Okay.
your teeth. Okay.
Like you are saying to your
Brush your teeth.
sister, you can say अपने दांत साफ करो. How you will say? Brush your teeth. Soha, brush
Brush
your
your
teeth.
teeth.
Next one,
So
our
how about
sentence.
your teeth?
Yes. Next one, our sentence is there. अपना खाना खाओ. अपना खाना खाओ. How you will say in English? Eat your
Eat your
food.
food.
Eat your food. Okay?
Eat your food.
अपना
Okay.
खाना खाओ. Eat your food.
Eat your food.
Next our sentence is there. नहा लो. नहा लो.
Go take
Take
a
a
bath.
bath. How you will say in
Take
English? Take a bath.
bath.
Take
A
a
bath.
bath. Next one our
Take
sentence
a
is there. पानी पियो. पानी पियो.
Drinking water.
No, no. Drink water. Drink water. Drinking water नहीं बोलना. Drink water. How you will say?
Drink water.
पानी पियो. Drink water.
Drink water.
Yes. सोने जाओ. सोने जाओ.
Good.
Go to
Go
sleep.
to sleep.
How you will say? Go to
Go to
sleep.
sleep.
Yes.
Go to sleep.
Next one,
Go to
our
sleep.
sentence is there. अपने जूते पहनो. अपने जूते पहनो. You know that one? This is new sentence for you. I will teach you. अपने जूते पहनो. इसकी इंग्लिश है wear your shoes.
Wear your shoes.
Wear your shoes. How you
Okay.
say?
Wear your shoes.
Yeah. We can say like that also. Put on your shoes.
Put on shoes.
Put on your shoes. Put on your shoes. अपने जूते पहनो. How we can say in English?
Put on your shoes.
Yes, one more is there. Wear your shoes.
Wear your shoes.
One more sentence what I told you. Put on your shoes.
Put on your shoes.
Yeah, we can say two way. Like one sentence is there. Wear your shoes. Next one is there. Put on your shoes. Okay?
Put on your shoes. Okay.
दोनों का मतलब है अपने जूते पहनो. Okay? If you are going to tell to your sister, अपने जूते पहनो. How you will say in English?
Put on your shoes.
Okay, one more sentence. What is that?
Wear your shoes.
Well done, excellent. Next one, our sentence is there. अपने हाथ धो लो. अपने हाथ धो लो.
Wash hand. Wash hand.
Wash your hand. अपने हाथ धो
Wash
लो.
your hand.
Wash your
Wash
hands. Your hands. Wash
hands.
your hands.
Wash
Wash
your
your hands. Well done. Next one,
your
our sentence is there. चलो बाहर चलें. चलो बाहर चलें.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go outside. Let's go
Let's go.
outside. बाहर चलें. Let's go
Let's go
outside. Okay. If you are saying to your
Okay.
sister, चलो
Let's
बाहर
go
चलें.
outside.
चलो बाहर चलें. How you will say in English?
Let's go outside.
Yes, well done. Excellent. Okay.
Okay.
Our sentence is there. स्कूल जाने का वक्त हो गया. This is new for you. स्कूल जाने का वक्त हो गया. We'll say in English, time to go to school. Time to go to school.
Go to school.
Yeah. स्कूल जाने का वक्त हो गया. How we will speak in English?
Time to go to school.
Time to go to school. Soha come. Time to go to school. Okay. Say like that.
Okay.
Next one, our sentence is there. That we will learn about adab and sluk. We will say in English, manners and behavior. Okay, manners and behavior. उर्दू में इसको कहते हैं आदाब और स्लूक. Okay, let's see what else sentences in that topic. Our first sentence is there. Brai karam kaho. If you will say someone, brai karam kaho, say please. Say please. Brai karam kaho, say please. How you will say? Say please. Okay.
Please.
Yeah.
Okay.
Next one, our sentence is there. Shukriya kaho. Shukriya kaho. How you will say to your sister?
Thank you.
Say thank you.
Thank you.
Say thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
Shukriya kaho. What we will say in English? Say thank
Say
you.
thank you.
Yes. Next one. लड़ाई मत करो.
Don't
लड़ाई
fight.
मत करो. Don't fight.
Don't not fight.
Don't fight.
Don't fight.
Very good. Next one. अच्छे बनो. अच्छे बनो. Be nice.
Nice. Be nice.
Be nice. अच्छे बनो. किसी को कहना हो ना अच्छे बनो. मोहम्मद आप अच्छे
Be
बनो.
nice.
इसको क्या कहेंगे इंग्लिश में? You will say be nice. Be nice. Don't fight. Be nice. Okay. Next one, our sentence is there. चीखो मत. Your sister is so much making noise. How you will say in English? चीखो मत. Don't shout.
Do not shout. Do not
Don't.
shout.
Don't. You have to speak in English. Don't. That is in the speaking. You should contract that one. Do not को shorts है. Don't. Okay. You will say don't shout. Okay.
Okay.
चीखो मत. सोहा चीखो मत.
Don't
How
shout.
you will say
Don't
English?
shout.
Soha, don't shout.
Soha, don't shout.
Next,
Soha,
our
don't shout.
sentence is there. खामोश रहो. खामोश
Be
रहो.
quiet.
Yes, well
Quiet.
done. Be quiet. Be quiet. That our previous lesson was there. Be quiet.
Be quiet.
Yes, well done. Next, our sentence is there. खुश रहो. That also our previous lesson is there.
Be
खुश
happy.
रहो.
Be
Be
happy.
happy. Well done. You are remembering. So, look, this cartoon, how that is happy. You are also happy like this. खुश
Yes.
रहो. खुश रहो. How you will say? Be happy.
Be happy.
Yes.
Be
Next, our
happy.
sentence is there. अपने खिलौने बांटो. If you will say to your sister, अपने खिलौने बांटो.
Put your toys.
Share your toys. This new sentence for you. Share your toys. Okay?
Your toys. Okay.
Share your toys. Next one, our
Share your
sentence
toys.
is there. ये अच्छा नहीं है. ये अच्छा नहीं है.
It's not good.
ये अच्छा नहीं है.
That's
That
not good.
that's not good. This is not good. That's तो वो अच्छा नहीं है. That I wrote wrong. Okay. वो अच्छा नहीं है. That's not good. ये अच्छा नहीं है.
It's
This
not
not
good.
good. Okay. This is not good. This not good. Okay. Next one, our sentence is there. तुम बहुत अच्छी लड़की हो. तुम बहुत अच्छी लड़की हो. You are saying to Soha. How you will say in English? You are a good girl.
You are
a good girl.
You are a
A
good girl.
You are a good girl. How you will say to
You
your sister?
Good girl.
You are a good girl.
You are a good girl.
Yes, you will say like that. Okay.
Okay.
Next, our sentence is there. चीखो मत, आहिस्ता बात करो. चीखो मत, आहिस्ता बात करो.
Don't shout.
Speak softly. Don't shout.
Softly.
Speak softly.
shout.
आहिस्ता बात करना is that is new one for you. आहिस्ता बात करो. आहिस्ता बात करो. Speak
Don't shout.
softly.
Speak softly.
How you will say in
Don't
English? चीखो मत, आहिस्ता बात करो. Don't shout.
Don't shout.
Speak
Speak.
softly.
Speak softly.
Yes. Next one, our sentence is there. मामा पापा की बात गौर से सुनो. मामा पापा की बात गौर से सुनो. You will say in English, listen to mama papa carefully.
Listen to mama.
Papa carefully.
Papa carefully.
Okay.
Papa carefully.
How you will say listen to mama papa
Listen
carefully.
to mama. Papa carefully. Listen to mama. Papa carefully.
Yes. You are saying to your sister, mama papa की बात गौर से सुनो. How you will speak in English?
Listen to mama. Papa carefully.
Yeah, you will say to Soha, listen to mama, papa carefully. Okay? You have to
Okay.
say like that. Next, our sentence is there. That is our new topic, Hosla Afzai and Mohabbat. In that, encourage and love. In that, our first sentence is there. Shabash. If you want to say to your sister, Shabash, you will say, well done.
Well done. Well done.
Well done. What you will say?
Well
done. Okay?
Well done.
If you
Well
will
done.
say to your sister, Shabash, how you will speak in English? Well done.
Well done.
Well
Well
done.
done.
Okay.
Well done.
Next, our
Okay.
sentence is there. बहुत अच्छा. बहुत अच्छा. How you will say? Good job.
Good job. Good
Good
job.
job. Okay. Good job. If your sister done something good, then you will say बहुत अच्छा. How you will say? Soha, good job.
Good job.
Good job, Soha. Good job. मतलब कि तुमने बहुत अच्छा किया. Okay. Next one, our sentence is there. तुम कर सकते हो. तुम कर सकते हो. How you will speak in English? You can do it. You can do it.
You can do it.
Let's go back. बहुत अच्छा. How you will say?
बहुत अच्छा. Good job.
Good job. Already you saw here. Okay. Next, our sentence was there. तुम कर सकते हो. This is new for you. तुम कर सकते हो. Okay. तुम कर सकते हो. How you will say in English? You can do it.
You can do it.
You can do it.
You
Okay.
can do it.
तुम कर
You
सकते
can
हो.
do it.
You can do it.
You can do it.
सोहा तुम कर सकती हो. How you will say? सोहा
Mama, you can do it.
do it. मामा आप कर सकती हैं. मामा you can do
Mama,
it.
Mama, you can do it.
पापा आप कर सकते हो. How you will say?
Papa, you can do it.
You can do it. Okay. Next one. Our sentence is there. मुझे तुम पर फख्र है. If you will say to Soha. Soha is good girl. I am proud of you.
I am proud of you.
Proud of you. I am proud of you.
Proud of you.
How you will say in English? I am
proud
proud of
you.
you. I am proud of you.
I am proud of you.
Next our sentence is there. मत डरो. मत डरो. Don't be scared.
Don't be scared.
This is new
Don't
sentence
be
for
scared.
you. If you want to say your sister, मत डरो. मत डरो का मतलब है in English you can say don't be
Yes.
scared. Soha, don't
Don't-
be scared.
Okay.
Okay. Mama,
Don't be scared.
mama मत
Mama,
डरो. How you will
Mama,
say?
Mama, don't be scared.
Where is please? Please
Mama,
mama.
please.
Please mama,
Please,
don't be
Mama,
scared.
don't be scared.
Please mama, don't be scared. This is normal.
Please.
So tell to Soha, don't be scared. Mat daro. Okay. Next one, our sentence is there. This is for girl. मैं तुमसे प्यार करती हूँ. But you are boy. You can say मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूँ. How you will say in English? I love you.
you.
I love you. You are saying to
I
your
love
sister. You are saying to your
I love you.
yeah. I love you. I love you, Soha. How you will say to your mother?
Mama, I love you.
Yeah, Mama, I love you. How you will say to your father?
Papa, I love you.
Papa, I love you. Okay. Next one, our sentence is there. चलो साथ खेलते हैं. चलो साथ खेलते हैं.
Let's go play.
Let's play together.
Let's
चलो
to be
साथ
together.
खेलते हैं. You have to say
Let's
in
to
English.
play
Let's
together.
play together.
Let's play together.
Let's play together. Let's
Let's
play
play
together. Okay.
Let's play together.
Yeah. Next one है. कोई बात नहीं. कोई बात
It's
नहीं.
okay. It's okay.
It's okay. It's okay.
Yes.
Okay. कोई
It's
बात
okay.
नहीं. It's okay.
It's okay.
Okay. Next one, our sentence is there. मुस्कुरा दो please. मुस्कुरा दो please. Smile please. Smile please. Smile
please.
like this. Smile please. Okay. If you want
Okay.
to say your sister, मुस्कुरा दो please. She is crying. Then you want to make her happy. You are saying मुस्कुरा दो please. How you will say in English? Smile please. Smile please. Okay.
Okay.
Next one, our
Okay.
sentence is there.
Next.
मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. This sentence is new for you. मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. Okay. You will say in English, I am always with you. How you will say in English? I am always with you. You are saying to your sister, Soha, मैं हमेशा तुम्हारे साथ हूँ. How you will say in English? Soha, I am always with you.
Always with you.
Soha, I am always with you. You are saying to your mother. How you will say?
Mama, I am
I am always.
with you.
You don't say I am.
Always
You can
you.
say I am. I am. Say like this. I am. I
I
am.
am.
I am. I am always with you. Mama, I am always with you. Mama, I am always with you. Okay? How?
Okay.
Mama, I am always with you. Okay?
Okay.
You are saying to your father, Papa, Papa, मैं हमेशा आपके साथ हूँ. How you will say in English?
Papa,
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 I am always
I
with you.
am always with you.
Same sentence. Papa, I am always with you. Okay?
Always with you. Okay.
Next one. Next one, our sentence is there. तुम बहुत ज़हीन बच्ची हो. You are saying to your sister. तुम बहुत ज़हीन बच्ची हो. How you will say? This is new for you. You are such a smart girl. You are such a smart girl.
You are such a smart girl.
You are saying to your sister, तुम बहुत ज़हीन बच्ची हो. How you will say in English? You are such a smart girl.
You are smart girl. You are such a smart girl.
Smart girl. Okay. Next one.
Okay.
तुम मेरी छोटी शहजादी हो. This is for your parents. This sentence actually. Okay. Your mother can say to your sister like, तुम मेरी छोटी शहजादी हो, यू आर माई लिटिल प्रिंसेस।
My little princess.
अगर आपकी मामा सोहा को तुम मेरी छोटी शहजादी हो, हाउ शी विल से
You
इन
are
इंग्लिश?
my little
You
princess.
are my little princess. You are my little princess.
You are my little princess.
Okay. Next one, our sentence is there. कोशिश करते रहो, कोशिश करते रहो. Keep
Keep
trying,
trying.
keep trying,
Keep trying.
keep
Keep
trying.
trying.
Okay.
Keep
कोशिश
trying.
करते रहो. How you will say in
Keep
English?
trying.
Keep trying,
Keep trying.
keep trying.
Keep trying.
Next one, our sentence is there. हिम्मत मत हारो. This is new sentence for you. हिम्मत मत हारो. Don't give up. Don't give up.
Don't give up.
Don't give up. Okay.
Okay.
Next one.
Don't give up. Next one.
This one leave it. This is next. And we will repeat our lesson. Okay.
Okay.
Just wait 1 minute. We will. बच्चों के
बच्चों
साथ
के
इंग्लिश
साथ
बोलना. Our topic was there, speaking English with children. Okay. In that first topic was there. What was our basic instruction? Let's see first sentence. यहाँ आओ. यहाँ
Come here.
आओ.
Come here.
Come here. यहाँ आओ.
Come here.
Come here.
Here.
Okay.
Okay.
Next one, our sentence is there. बैठ जाओ. बैठ
down.
जाओ. Sit down. Sit down.
Sit down. Sit
खड़े
down.
हो जाओ. खड़े हो
Stand
जाओ.
up. Stand
Stand
up.
up. Well done.
Stand up.
Stand up. Very good. Next one is there. मुझे अपना हाथ दो. मुझे अपना हाथ दो.
Give me your hand.
Give me your hand. Give me your hand.
Give me your hand.
Next
Give
one,
me
our
your
sentence
hand.
is there. मेरी तरफ देखो. मेरी तरफ देखो.
Look at me.
Look at me.
Look at me.
Look at me.
Look
Next
at
one,
me.
our sentence is there. मेरा हाथ पकड़ो. How you will say in English? मेरा हाथ
Hold me
पकड़ो.
hand. Hold me hand.
You will say in English, hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
Okay, hold my hand.
Hold my hand.
Next one, our sentence is there. एहतियात से. How you will say someone एहतियात से in English?
इत्यादि से.
You forgot? This is our old lesson was there.
Be careful. Be careful.
Be careful. Well done. You are excellent remembering. Be careful. Next one, our
Be
sentence is there. This one new sentence for you today. एक मिनट रुको. How you will say in English? एक मिनट रुको. How you will say in English?
एक मिनट रुको.
You have to say, Muhammad, you have to say, wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Mama, एक मिनट रुको. How you will say? Wait a minute.
Mama, wait a minute. Mama,
Yeah.
wait a minute.
Yes. You will say to your papa, Papa, एक मिनट रुको. How you will say in English?
A minute. Papa, wait a minute.
Wait a minute. Okay. Next one, our sentence is there. सुबह बुखैर मेरी प्यारी. सुबह बुखैर. If you are to time wishing to you.
Good
Good morning. Good morning, my dear.
Good morning, my dear.
You are saying to
Morning,
your
my dear.
mama. सुबह बुखैर mama. How you will say?
Good morning, my dear.
No, you can say good morning, mama. Good morning, mama.
Good
You are saying to your father. How you will say this one? Good morning, papa. Good
Good
morning, papa. You are
Good
saying to
morning,
your teacher.
Mama.
How you will say? Good morning, teacher. Good morning, teacher. Okay.
Good morning, teacher.
If you are saying to your sister, you can say this one. Good morning, my dear, or good morning, Soha. Okay, like this.
Okay.
Next, our sentence is there. यहाँ आओ मुझे गले लगाओ. यहाँ आओ मुझे गले लगाओ.
Hug me.
यहाँ आओ. First, what is that? यहाँ आओ.
Come here.
Give me a hug. Come here and give me a hug. Come here and give me a hug. मामा,
Come here.
यहाँ आओ और मुझे गले लगाओ. मामा, यहाँ आओ और मुझे गले लगाओ. How you will speak in English?
Mama, come here
and
give
give me a hug.
give me a hug.
A hug. Give me a hug. पापा यहाँ आओ, मुझे गले लगाओ. How you will say to your father?
Papa, come here and give me
Give me
a
a
hug.
hug. Very good. Like this. Papa, come here and give me a hug. Papa, come here and give me a hug. How
And
you
give
will
me
say?
hug.
Yes.
A
Next
hug.
one, our sentence is there. अंदर आओ. अंदर आओ.
Come inside.
Come inside. Well done. Come inside. Very good,
Come
Mohammed. Next, that is our new topic. रोजाना का मामूल मतलब daily routine. Daily routine. जागो. First sentence is there. जागो.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Wake up.
Wake up. Next sentence is there. अपने दांत साफ करो.
Brush your teeth. Brush होता है. Brush. Brush your
अपने
teeth.
दांत साफ करो. Brush your teeth. Brush your teeth. How you will say? Brush your teeth. Okay.
Brush your teeth. Okay.
Next one, our sentence is there. अपना खाना खाओ. अपना खाना खाओ. How you will say? खाने की इंग्लिश क्या होती है मालूम है? अपना खाना खाओ. खाना को क्या कहते हैं? You are saying to Soha, अपना खाना खाओ. मेरा नहीं खाओ, अपना खाना खाओ. How you will say in English? Eat your food. Eat your food. Eat your food. Soha, don't touch here. Eat your food. How you will say? अपना खाना खाओ. Eat your food.
Your food.
Eat
your
your food. Okay. How you will say? Soha, अपना खाना खाओ.
Soha, eat your food.
Mama, अपना खाना खाओ.
Mama, eat your food.
Yes. If you are saying to Papa, Papa, please, अपना खाना खाओ. Papa, please, eat your food. Okay.
Eat.
नहा लो. What you are saying in English? नहा लो. Take a bath. Okay. Take a bath. You are taking a bath every day, daily. You are taking shower. Enjoying shower like this. Look. Next one. पानी पियो. How you will say? पानी पियो.
Drink water. Drink water.
Drink water. Well done. Drink water.
Drink water.
Mama
Papa,
पानी
drink
पियो.
water.
Mama पानी पियो. How you will say to Mama?
Water.
Huh?
Mama, drink water.
What you will say?
Mama, drink water.
Where is please? You are speaking with Mama, not with your sister. Okay. Mama is elder one, mean elder to you. You have to respect to Mama and Papa. Okay, especially. Then what you will add there? Please. Papa, pani piyo. How you will say to Papa? Hello? Oh, less than a minute.